Okay, so hello everyone. So today we'll be solving this question, that is a Leetcode weekly question. Wait a second. Remove stars from a string. So this is similar to backspace string if you have solved before. So we have given a string passed as parameter, and we have to return a string that has no stars in it, but with a condition. So we have to remove the closest star of that character, right? And yeah, let's see how we can solve this. So there are two ways we can solve this. One is using stack. So what we'll be doing is, like, first we'll be putting L, then E, then T. So when we will encounter a star, we will just pop the the top element of the stack. Again, same, next time we'll find a star, we'll pop the top element, making sure uh, that the stack is not empty. Same for C, O, T, star and E. Now let's solve it using this. So first of all, we have a given string. Let's solve it using string builder, and we'll have a length is equals s dot length, and counter is equals 0. So we have a counter initially at 0. We have to return sb dot to string, right? And in between we have to do some operations like int length, sorry, int I is equals to length minus 1. I is greater than, what we are doing over here is we are just looping the string backwards, right? Now if s dot caret at I is equals a star, what we will do, we will increase the counter. Else if it's not a star, it's a alphabet, what we'll be doing is we'll check again if counter is equals to 0. That means there are no such star in the counter. We will just simply append it with s dot caret at I. Else if that's the case, we will just decrement the counter. Let's, and yeah, so there's one we'll be facing one issue. As we are looping backwards, the answer will be in the form of EOCEL. Let's try EOCEL, and this is empty string. What we have to do is, at the end while returning, we have to just add a more method, that is reverse. What it will just reverse the entire thing, and now it's answer. Let's try to submit this. Cool. 17 ms, 50%. Let's try with one more approach. I've not tried this yet. I'll be trying it while recording. I will try not to edit this video. Cool. We have to make a let's, yeah, we have to return a string, right? Now let's say we have a stack of yeah, characters. Stack is equals to new stack. Now here it will be s. Yeah, cool. So we have to, take character each time as dot to character array. But the problem here is every time it will just convert the string into character array, or we can just simply loop it normally. It saves a time, it saves a lot of time actually. Less than, yeah, we have also to save the length of, you know uh, the length of the string, because every time we loop it calculates the length and it takes O of n, so it's better to do this earlier. Now, yeah, we don't need to have a counter because the top will be it. If the s dot caret at I is equals a star. That means it's a star. And stack dot peak is not empty. I mean, we can just say like stack is empty. Yeah. So if this is not the case, we will just pop it. Cool. Because if someone is in the stack and the current element, if someone is already in the stack and current element is a star, we will just pop it. Simple. Else, what we will do, we will just push it. Stack dot push that character. Oh, sorry. S dot caret at I. And now we have our stack ready. So as the things will be in a reverse order, so we have to maintain a string builder, new string builder. Now we will just loop while stack is not empty, right? While stack is empty, and here exclamatory mark, we will just append it of stack dot pop. Now we have to just return the string builder in a reverse order. Dot to string. I guess it will work. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, cool. It works. And one more thing, if the string is already empty, we can just return it directly. If here we can do it. Let's take it here. And if length is equals to or length is less than 2, return this, or return like if length is equals to 1. Okay, length is equals to 0, return this. Yeah, same. And we have to cut it and have to paste it over here. Length is the same. Yeah. Let's try it once again. Hope this works. I'm not sure if this will accept. Cool, but yeah, okay, it's not a optimal approach. The one I showed initially was the optimal approach. Anyway, I'll be dropping the GitHub link of this in the description, or I can just simply paste the code. You can just check it out. And thank you so much for watching. This is Leetcode, and see you in the next one.